Hello guys, today we will be unboxing and reviewing the PowerXL Pro Air Fryer. So now we will unbox the air fryer. Here is the owner's manual to read the instructions. Here is some America's best air fryer recipes. Here is the paper if you need more help using the air fryer. Here is also a quick start guide to use the air fryer. This air fryer comes with a thank you card. Here is also extra help with the air fryer. Now we will take out the air fryer itself. Here is the air fryer itself. I'm going to show how to take out the part. Where you put the food in, there's also a handle that came with the fryer. Here is a scan me for you can find the fryer and buy it. This is a cold button. And this is a fish button. This a cake or pie button. This is a fruit button, a steak button, a temperature button, time button, boiled egg button, broccoli button, French fries button, and a reheat button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.